It pleases me that neither truce nor peace remains among the barons, for they used to plant boxwood hedges, so much they love gardens and orchards. Ease with little company, it seems they look to the example of ancestors. For never there where one of them might be would you enter without a brawl. Yet there will be laughter there, and perhaps they will love us and welcome the worthy and give gifts to the barbarians, if they wish them to stay with them. For never by crying Paris, without other expenses, will they conquer foreign people. Never believe that a man can climb the hill of worth by 2 steps at once, but at the lowest part below he may well stay quiet and bowed. And in that which remains, for with 1,000 marks of sterling he could not climb 2 of them, so much he fears that wealth may fail him. I would well wish the king were seen, and that he might pass here among us, and know of the barons which one is false to him and which is faithful, and recognize the sickness with which Limousin limps. It was his and would be good for him, but a greedy one takes it from him. I would well wish the seneschal, whenever he might have leisure for it, would pass through 2 bishoprics before things grow too hard for him, since he has now come from Germany. And I wish Lord Amar the meddler and Lord Guy would make such a division, so equal that neither would complain of it. Mariner, not at all for the Kansies, if Lord Malmiros lodges them. Do me no harm in secret, I shall be no more bowed to you. Not a Lord Perolacasanga, by whom Guy has been ill-treated, toward me into prisons, in love and in company. Never would Lord Frederick have made such a bargain as the son Lord Henry made, when he took pilgrims with staffs, with which he took Apulia and Romagna.